Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we shall do another number pattern. So what we are doing is that in the given question, so if this is the first row we are printing 1, in the second row we are printing 1, 2, in the third row we are printing 1, 2, 3. So we are seeing as the number of rows are increasing, that series is being printed in each row. So here we have to dissociate that. We have to use two for loops, one for the rows and the second for loop print the series according to the line we are at. So let us see the code. Def number of n, so n will define the number of lines for I in range of 1 till n plus 1, for j in range 1 till I plus 1, print j comma end equals to empty, and then again a print statement out of this j loop to create a new line. Finally, number 5, our pattern is printed. So what are we doing? So essentially, once we give the input, the n or the number of lines, this iteration starts, and for this example 5, this I will iterate from 1 till 5. Since we are in the range function, it will go one element before the end. So if in range we are giving from 1 to 6, it will actually iterate from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is for the number of lines, and here this j statement is to print the number or the number series, and it will print from 1 till I plus 1. So whenever here the I is 1, here it will print from range of 1 comma 2, which will actually print just 1, then again range of 1 comma 3, which will print 1, 2, then again range of 1 comma 4, then it will print 1, 2, 3. So a corresponding pattern continues. So this is, and this print statement is used to create a new line after. So after 1 is printed by this loop, this print statement takes us to the second line, and then again 1, 2 is printed, this print statement again takes us to the third line. So this cycle continues. This end is used so that in each print of j, the number do not go into the, like they do not separate out. So instead, if we don't use this, what will happen is that it will print 1 in the first line, second line again 1, in the third line 2. So let us see. If I am removing the end, this is how it is printing. So the end is required. So this is the code for printing this pattern. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.